Hello, class.
This is Cell City, and we are the living dead.
I'm Hope.
I'm Dylan.
I'm James.
And I'm Meredith. This is the epic tale of Rabies in a town doomed to the fate of the living dead.
Here we have a rabies virus, and here we have a brain cell. In the next few slides, we're going to show you how the rabies virus attacks the brain cell.
Okay, a raccoon bites a teenager hanging out in the woods. This raccoon is infected by rabies. So the rabies virus is in the saliva and it attaches to the cell near the bite site. At the bite site, in the cell, once the rabies has found a good host cell, it begins to latch on using its glycoprotein keys. Glycoprotein is a protein that cells use to communicate, so they will open when they see some keys. What it does is the cell opens, and then the rabies injects its mRNA into the cell.
Here is a diagram of a neuron cell, and the inside of it. And here is a duplication and multiplication of the cell.
Once the rabies virus is resting on the cell wall, the cell of its matrix protein splits apart and allows the RNA into the cell. The RNA goes to a ribosome. There's many floating around in the brain cell, which is like a copy machine, and the opposite side of the RNA is created. They put in the opposite side multiple times so they have the original RNA strand, and then they go away and to attack more cells.
Alright, here are the symptoms. Anxiety, stress, and tension, drooling, convulsions, exaggerated sensation at bite, excitability, loss of feeling in areas of body, loss of muscle function, low-grade fever, muscle spasm, numbness and tingling, panic at a bite, restlessness, agoraphobia, fear of water, swallowing difficulty, swallowing causes spasm in the voice box, hallucinations, and insomnia. And here's a GIF of multiplication of a virus in a cell, but some of the steps are skipped. So the destruction and spread. Once the virus has multiplied, the new virus, RNA, leaves the cell in a process called budding, where the keys form around the virus as it leaves. These keys are used to get into other cells. The virus spreads to the spinal cord and throughout the nervous system into the brain. In the brain, it replicates more and very quickly and causes the brain inflammation, resulting in symptoms.
The zombie pack is on the move. They have just broken through the state border. They want to injure the United States of America. So, they are intent on eating every last person and making more zombies. So the zombie pack goes to a city called Periville. And what they do is, so they have guns, and they use their guns to shoot the security guards and open the gate. The mRNA in this story, which would be one zombie who has the ability to copy itself, goes in to Periville, and it has two missions. It is intent on making copies of itself and destroying the city.
Ooh. Here are some awesome pictures of the city getting destroyed.
Wait.
The zombies go into the laboratory where they infect the test subjects. See, the laboratory is working on cloning people. So now that the test subject is infected, it clones zombies. And then they clone more zombies and more zombies and more zombies. Then they are ready to fully attack the town. The cult of zombies goes out to kill the city. First, they kill off the civilians. Then they destroy all the houses, finally killing the mayor, which completely ruins the city.
The city is taken over. The zombies leave the town in small groups. On their way out, they grab guns to get into other towns. Some groups go to other towns along the main highway, but most take it straight to the capital. There, they take over the capital, and the entire country gets affected.
Okay, so here's our picture showing the aftermath of what happened. As you can see here, the vital parts of the cell, which are the people, lie in pieces, getting eaten by the zombies. As you can see, there are 5 of, 2 white and 2 green. The city hall, which is over here, is in tatters, and that is very important because that means that most of the cell is destroyed. Otherwise, we just have other destroyed buildings. In the middle here, you can see the mayor.
Here's our bibliography, which states all of the sites that we use to get our helpful information.
Bang.
Bang! The end.
This has been a message from The Living Dead.